If you just broke up with your SB and you're feeling anxious, abandoned, or rejected, do this right now. Tapping is the fastest way to interrupt your limiting patterns and negative subconscious programming. If you cannot do this tapping right now, save and favorite this video so you can get to it later. But if you can, let's get started. Before we begin, rate your fear of abandonment and rejection on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being I feel great or neutral, and 10 being I'm feeling so abandoned and rejected right now. Pick a number, do not overthink it, and leave it in the comments below. You need to remember this number so we can go back to it after the tapping. Okay, let's get started. Just right here on the eyebrow point. My heart is aching right now. I feel abandoned and unwanted. I feel rejected and unworthy. I've done so much for this person, and they still rejected me. I gave so much of my time and energy, and they abandoned me in return. I hate feeling this way. I just want all of these feelings to go away right now. But maybe I can learn to sit with these feelings. Maybe this fear of rejection and abandonment is teaching me something about myself. There's a deeper wound within me, and I've been ignoring it for way too long. Okay, so now let's just take a moment here to reflect how we feel. Take a deep breath. Maybe these emotions are now really being brought to the surface, which is a good thing. This is the point of tapping. Be gentle with yourself. All right, and when you're ready, we're going to go back to the eyebrow point. This person is just showing me what needs to be healed. And yes, it hurts. But I know I cannot heal anything if I don't feel it. Even though I'm feeling rejected and abandoned, I deeply love and accept myself. I forgive myself for putting me in this position. Maybe right now I want to manifest my person back. But honestly, those thoughts are draining my energy. Because I know what I need the most right now is to focus on my own energy and well-being. I'm willing to believe that something good will come out of this pain. It's okay that I'm hurting in this moment. I allow myself to feel this way. All right, take a deep breath here again and reflect how you're feeling. Be gentle with yourself. If there are any thoughts or emotions that are coming up, just know that you are safe to feel them. All right. When you're ready, we're just going to do one last short round of tapping to remind ourselves that we will be okay. Back to the eyebrow point. I acknowledge my heartbreak fully and completely. I'm choosing to release just a little bit of this pain. releasing this intense pain from every cell of my body. I don't need to hold on to it any longer. I am letting go of the pain of rejection. I acknowledge all the lessons. I will work on them now. But I don't need to be in this victim mindset any longer. I invite healing and love into my heart. I am worthy of love from others and from myself. Everything is going to be okay. I can heal from this heartbreak. I am loved and cherished. All right, deep breath in. Hold it at the top and release. All right, so let's check back on that scale. How are you feeling now? Do you feel a little less anxious? Is that fear coming down? If not, you can do this tapping again, but let me know if that number went down and if the intensity subsided. Thank you so much for tapping along with me. I'll see you next time and follow for more.